Before dinosaurs roamed the earth, the Tepuis were already standing tall. These ancient flat-topped mountains, carved by time and weather, rise like fortresses above the Venezuelan jungle. Isolated for millions of years, each Tepuis is a natural laboratory, home to plants and creatures that exist nowhere else. Carnivorous plants, ghostly frogs, and clouds that kiss stone, all untouched by modern life. For the indigenous Pemon people, the Tepuis are sacred, believed to house spirits and gods. Their legends inspired tales like The Lost World and even Up. But the real wonder is that they're still alive and evolving. These geological wonders not only protect biodiversity, but also the secrets of our planet's deep past. Tepuis aren't just mountains, they're Earth's oldest sky islands, and they're calling to be explored.